Hairdresser Cuties Whitney here. It's pun art time, and today I just want you cuties to know that Earth without art is just eh. So let's get started. To draw this cute artist Earth, let's start by drawing a big circle. And so it's just easier for me to have something to trace, so hopefully you can find something at home. And I'm just going to go ahead and trace this bowl of mine because it is a very big circle and it's just much easier this way. Okay, so now that we have our nice big circle in, we can draw our Earth. But before we do that, actually, you know what? Let's bring it to life first. So I'm going to come in here into this area and draw a circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And come right across about right here and draw another circle. There, so now my two circles in, I'm going to make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, so now my Draw So Cute eyes in, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve over each eye. And of course, let's draw a sweet smile. So right in between the eyes, about right here, let's go ahead and draw a big sweet smile and cap it off. There. So then now that we have that, let's go ahead and make it look like Earth. So let's start by drawing some land. So let's say about right here, just all up to you. You don't have to follow exactly what I'm drawing. I'm just going to randomly here and there just bring in some land. So just draw some of these shapes right here, and I'm going to put two more, so on the sides. And just bring it in just to simplify it. And one more, so about right here, just to fill in the space. Let me bring this one out a little bit more just to change it up and down. There. And then I thought it'd be really cute right about here, since we have some space, we can put a little island. Of course, that's the shape of a heart, kind of. So about right here. There. And then now that we have this, and we know once you color it, you're going to know it's Earth, right? Let's make it an artist. So let's come about right here in this area, and I'm going to, it's about center, and I'm going to pop out a curve, and we're going to thicken this up about there, and then I'm going to draw a big paintbrush. So about right here, I'm going to start and kind of angle and angle to draw a very simple paintbrush, and then connect it there. And then draw a line right here for some detail, and of course we need to draw the brush part nice and thick, and let's see here, and then right here we're just going to wobble so we know there's some color there, and then just need two curves right here for some detail. And then for the hand, come about right here, and I'm just going to thicken this up. So I'm just going to draw a little oval right here and here. So it looks like the Earth is holding a paintbrush, hopefully. And then from there on the other side, right across about right here, and then we're going to draw let's see here, can draw a tube of paint. So I'm going to come right here just like that, and let's draw a nice big tube of paint. So I'm going to come down And I'm going to angle. So once again, just a very generic tube of paint, and then a little top right here, and a little line right here, and let's see, and then some paint flowing out. There, and maybe a little label. Of course, I'm going to put a heart right here, and then the hands. So once again, just like the other side, just thicken it up, and here. And before I go, I'm just going to come back in here. Then now that I'm looking at my drawing, I'm going to come back in here and just retrace my circle just to make the outside a little bit darker. There, so now that it looks a little bit more complete with the land, right? And I'm going to attempt to write "Earth without art is just which is what this pun art is about. And so bear with me here. Hopefully I won't mess up too badly, but let's see here. I'm going to start about right here. And if I mess up, then I'm just going to erase everything and just do it on the computer. So Earth. So I'm just going to try to follow the curve of this earth. Oh my goodness, without art. Let's see here. I think I need to do without kind of smaller. Without. Art. Okay, well, not too bad, right? Okay, so then art without art. So I'm going to come back in here real quick and try to fix it up. So this side needs to come down a little bit more. So bear with me here. Maybe I should have just done this on the computer, but I won't give up. Okay, Earth without art is just add. So it's just add. Let's just write that here. So I'm going to come about right here. Is just right and very big with an exclamation mark. There. Okay. Okay, so then I'll come in here. Bring this down. Is just okay, so hopefully I didn't butcher it too badly. I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. I wrote it a little too high. But that's the whole idea. Hopefully I did help you today with this Earth without art is just I really hope you love this pun art and that it brings a smile to your day. And if it did, and I helped you draw this fun and easy, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.